Hi, it's Jai here from Beyonwiz.com.au. In this video we're going to show you how to set up and use your favorites. So what you're seeing now on the screen is your bouquets, and bouquets are basically a fancy name for channel groups or folders, I guess. They'll probably come more into play later than when we add some IPTV services to this box. But for now, your first scan, by default, all your channels will scan into terrestrial LCN, and if you open that, you'll see that all your channels are there. But some people might like to sort their channels a bit better and sort of cut out some of the channels they don't want. And an easy way to do this, well, there's two ways to do this. You can go through and actually just delete channels out of your terrestrial LCN folder. Problem is that if you ever do a rescan or there's rescans that happen in the background due to factory resets and things like that, they'll just reappear. A better way to do it is to actually add favorites. That way, if you ever do a factory reset, you can actually restore those favorites and they won't change. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. It's quite simple. So to start off with, let's get the channel list up. So simply press the up arrow on your T3 remote, and that'll bring up your current channel list. Now what you want to do is select the channels that you want to actually add to your favorites folder. You can select as many or as little as you want. It doesn't really matter. So the easiest way to do this is just scroll down and highlight the one that you want to put in the folder, then press the menu button on your T3 remote and you'll get all these options. And then if you scroll down to add a service to bouquet and press OK, it'll give you an option into what bouquet you want to put it. Then you simply go down to favorites, press OK. So channel 7 will be now in that favorites bouquet. So I'm just going to add a couple more in there just so we can have a couple in there when we go back and activate that. So I've added channel 9. I'll also just add channel 10 in there as well for now. So we should have three of our three channels in that bouquet now. So if you exit out of that, and how to activate that, you only need to do it once. So if you press your favorites button, that'll bring up your bouquets, and if you go down to the favorites bouquet, you'll see that your three channels have actually added in there. Now I'll go back out quickly and show you the EPG. The EPG now, because we're still in terrestrial LCN bouquet, it's got all the channels there. So if you scroll down, that'll go through, every channel that's on there. But if we exit out and go back into the favorites, you'll see that once you go down to favorites TV and then switch to a channel in your bouquet, that'll automatically then make it so only those three channels are accessible. You can go back and change this any time, and you'll see there that your guide shows just the channels in your favorites bouquet, and it shows you there that you're in your favorites now. And just through your zapping as well, or you're changing channels, you'll just change the channels through those three channels themselves. If you want to go back, as we did to get into it, simply go into the favorites, go up to terrestrial TV LCN, press OK, and then press OK back in there, and then you're back into your normal terrestrial TV LCN bouquet as well. So that's how you do that one.